At UC Davis, we believe being prepared can save lives. That's why the UC Davis Fire Department has made Narcan easier to find on campus. Narcan is a life-saving nasal spray that reverses opioid overdoses. Overdoses can happen with street drugs, prescription meds, even by accident. The good news? Narcan is safe and simple to use. You don't need training, and if you're wrong, if someone isn't overdosing, using Narcan won't hurt them. Here's what to watch for. Slow or no breathing. Lethargic or hard to wake up. Pinpoint pupils. Cold or bluish skin. If you see these signs, call 911. Then use Narcan. Here's how. Open the Narcan box. You'll find 2 nasal sprays and quick instructions. Take one out. Tilt the person's head back and insert the nozzle into one nostril. Push the plunger all the way in quickly. If there's no response, in 2 to 3 minutes, use the second dose. If it's safe, stay until help gets there. The UC Davis Fire Department has 4 Narcan dispensers. In the Memorial Union, near the east entrance by the info desk. At Shields Library, in the 24-hour study room. At the Student Community Center, near the north entrance. And in the ARC, at the ARC Study Lounge. Don't wait for an emergency. Grab Narcan now. Carrying it doesn't mean you're using. It means you're ready to help.